Hello, Facebook. I'm going to give y'all some time to come in. Hey, come on in, come on in. I see I haven't received any stars, and it's time to get my stars, y'all. Come on in. I'm going to give y'all some time to come in. I invite people to remind them. Hello, everybody. All right, I'm inviting people to the live. Come on in. All right. Hello. This is Nikki Ruffin, and I am on live today as I promised that I would be. And it's been a long time since I've been on live. It really has. And I am really excited about getting on here and talking about boots to books and talking about some of the other projects that I'm doing. And like Nice Project. Nice Project has always been around, but Boots to Books is where I'm working or planning to work with women, especially African American women, veterans, on transitioning into the classroom. A lot of military people don't think that they qualify, or they think that they have to get a lot of these certifications and all these different things, whereas there are ways around it, and there you can already be in the classroom without even having to present certain certifications right away. So I would love to speak with any soldiers out there. And hey, Tanya, and if you know of any veterans, please, and male or female, it doesn't matter. But again, I just specialize in African American women veterans. And so if you would like to work one-on-one with me and find out the details and how you can become a teacher, then let me know. And again, women veterans, I specialize in that. However, I will help any and everybody be the best that they can be, and what they want to do. Okay, so that is one thing that I wanted to talk about. The other thing is Naya's project. Now, if you can recall, when I left Facebook for about 2-3 years, I was working on my baby girls' books, children's books. There are several that are already completed and are already in Amazon and on other places. So she has Naya Swords in Science, Naya Knows Numbers, Naya Knows Technology, and Naya Talks About Technology. And also she has a book that I really liked that I made, and that was about bullying, and it's called Daddy, There Are Monsters at School. I absolutely love that book. I wrote it, but I absolutely love it. I really do. And I would recommend that for any and everybody. It's a preschool, y'all excuse me, I'm hot. It's a preschool book. However, it's suitable for anyone in any environment. And that is Daddy, There Are Monsters at School. And there's this big twist in the book, and I just recommend that you guys order it, or, DM me, whatever you want to do, to get that particular book. So we already talked about Boots to Books. Oh, I didn't mention that I do have a Facebook group, Boots to Books. And I would love for you guys to join that group so that we can talk in detail about some of the things that I won't really talk about on my personal page. I'm starting now on my personal page to talk about these things because that's where most of my people are, you know. And as we continue to grow and we get into, a lot of people start joining the actual Boots to Books group, then I'll be bringing in all my information right there. So right now, again, I want to try to expose everybody to it, give an introduction to Boots to Books, and move it towards the group. Okay, I want to digress for a minute as well. I went to Selma, Alabama this past weekend to the Jubilee. Oh, wow, I had a wonderful, wonderful, wonderful time. And there was no one there, while I was there to cause any confusion, disruption, any of that. It was wonderful. There were, black people, white people, all types of people around, just fellowshipping together, purchasing things, eating all the great food that was there. Oh my God. I didn't know. I wish somebody had told me that that food would be there. I wouldn't have eaten before I went down there, but I did. And I still got a plate. I forgot what it was, but I did. I still got something. And but it was awesome. Okay, so now let me get back to, so we covered the Boots to Books, we covered Naya's project, and now I want to send a shout out, well, not a shout out yet, to a dynamic new author, a star author. I want to give the opportunity for anyone who's out there wanting their book to be reviewed by not only me, but other readers out there. Once my audience start coming back and growing again, then we'll have some reviews. But right now, of course, it would be me. If you are a new writer and you desire to have your book reviewed and put that review on Amazon or wherever you sell your book, then come on and DM me and let me know, because I need to start repasting all of the beautiful authors that I had before and that I was reviewing. Now, I want to tell you this. Once me and whomever else or whoever else decide to review and give their honest opinion, please, please, please remain calm. We're going to be as tactful and as truthful and as loving and kind as we know how, because I wouldn't want anybody to dog me and in my books or what have you. But we got to take into consideration that these are new authors. Number one, they're new authors, number one. Number two, their budget is not large, so they can't really hire people to do all the things that they're doing by themselves. All right, so I take all that into consideration so that your book can get a review. All right, so now we got that out of the way, and I would like to say, because this is Gratitude Thursday, this is my Gratitude Thursday that I'm bringing. I learned something about gratitude, guys. I learned that giving gratitude opens the floodgates. It opens everything up to you. It not only are you sharing how you've been blessed, but you're opening up more blessings to you when you give gratitude. And that is what I want to bring back on Thursdays. And I ask God to give me the strength to keep on bringing it on Thursdays and not fall off again, because I had a great following. I was doing very, very well, but what God did then, he'll do 7 times 7 times 7 again. So I'm okay with that. As long as I can touch one person and that person learns that gratitude is the key to a lot of the things that hold us back. Gratitude is the key to a lot of things that hold us back, because we forget to say thank you, not only to another person, but to the universe, the spirit, God, saying thank you. Thank you, thank you, thank you for all that you have allowed me to see and still be. To see and still be, that's amazing. That's amazing. That's something to shout about. Now, I'm not bringing any religious tactics in here, but I believe in God. I do. The principles of Christianity, I do believe in that. Am I throwing them at everyone? No, because gratitude is the key. No matter what religion you are, no matter what faith you are, no matter what you believe in, gratitude opens up the gates to many, 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 many blessings. As I was visiting Selma and seeing where Selma has come, I had to say thank you. I had to say thank you. When I say we, here I go, y'all, some of y'all who've been watching me long time ago know, when I say we, I mean me as well. We have dog walk Selma, and all the things that Selma has not done or is not doing. But if you saw the turnout down there in Selma, Alabama, that past weekend, you would know. And people were peaceful and pleasant and loving and thankful. Hey, Jackie, and thankful. They were giving gratitude. The children, who we talk about on a daily basis, the children of today were peaceful and thankful. Now, I didn't hear anything when I wasn't down there. I didn't hear about anything else that may occur. But for the most part, it was respect and gratitude. So on this Thankful Thursday, my Gratitude Thursday, I'm thanking God. I'm thanking God for the time that I spent there and participated in all the activities. I'm thanking God for what that community has been to me and been for me. I'm thanking God for the history that is built or that I was built up with, that I was brought up with. I thank God for that, because it made me the person that I am today. And a lot of times we look at the negative aspects of our community and all these things that we don't have. But the breath in your body, the ability to walk that bridge without somebody beating your butt, the ability to walk over that bridge and walk anywhere and everywhere you want to walk, it's gratitude in itself. So I'm very, 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 very thankful. And I don't want to make this Thursday gratitude session and all those other things that I was speaking on. I don't want to make it long. It's just enough to get us to the next time. And I'm thankful for you. I've had several people in and out, but God, I'm thankful. And I know that by me being who I am and speaking the truth on what I know, then people will come. And my main purpose again was gratitude and supporting women veterans and becoming teachers, as well as women veterans and others getting their finances in order. I'm still doing it. I'm still doing it. And I'm old, but I'm still getting it in order. So that's the key to where we are today. We have to get ourselves in order. We have to, because we look at the people who are running this country. But guess what I say? We're running this country. Because without us, those people will not prosper. And I'm thankful for that. African American women are the biggest spenders and the most educated, the most one of the most influential groups of people of today. So I believe that if we gather together and focus on certain issues, mine being the teacher, bringing in teachers, effective teachers, patient teachers, loving teachers, grateful teachers, kind teachers, into the school system, everything is going to run smoothly. It'll be fine. So having said all that, God bless you. God bless you and keep you. I didn't think I was going to make it today. My grandbabies got me sick, but I'm here and I made it, and I thank you all. And until next Thursday, y'all be blessed. Bye-bye.